Okay, Phonics Lesson 116. Masks can be off until Miss Graham comes in. We do have some new material. Hopefully I don't forget it like I have been lately. All right, let's read through some sounds together. B. What is this?
Prefix.
It's a prefix because it's added before the word. X or eggs. Re. D. Dis. E. Con or cun. In. Com or come. Ooh, un. N. Is it pronounced in? No, it's N, like enjoy, entitle. All right, let's spell some sounds. That was quick.
Miss Bluffing, are we going to wash our desk?
First sound is N.
That's pretty easy to do beside it.
Remember the N prefix means in or into. The next sound, cun. Dis. Come. Long I before T. Five ways. 5 ways for this next one. Long I. Okay, those are all of the sounds that we're going to spell. So let's go through those. The first sound you wrote was N, the prefix E-N. The next sound was cun. That's the C-O-N. What else can it say besides cun? Con. Dis was after that one, that prefix. Remember that prefix means not. And then come. It can also say calm. Long I before T is I-G-H. Like in night or sight or light, fight. Okay, then 5 ways for long I. Just I. I consonant silent E. I-G-H. What is that, 3? What am I missing?
Y consonant E.
The Y, the vowel consonant silent E, the Y consonant silent E.
Y?
1, 2, 3, 4. What's the last one?
Y?
Just Y.
Yes. I got 100%. I thought that's
Just Y at the end of a short word, like in sky, says that I sound. All right, now let's read some words. Haley, it's in front of your desk. Is everybody ready?
Mm-hmm.
Dismantle, concrete, enjoy, complete, disclose, ensnare, confuse, disclaim, engrave, comfort, enlighten, construct or construct. Encrust, distrust, compass, condone, dislike, enrage. Do you want me to say the word and then you repeat it after me?
Yeah.
Okay. Compare,
Compare.
conform,
Conform.
disagree,
Disagree.
complain,
Complain.
endure,
Endure.
enlarge,
Enlarge.
discharge,
Discharge.
constant,
Constant.
enclose,
Enclose.
company,
Company.
disgust,
Discuss.
constrain,
Constrain.
entertain,
Entertain.
conduct,
Conduct.
compose.
Compose.
Okay, it's going to be more beneficial if you look at the word while you're saying it, because you should actually be reading it. I'm just helping you with the correct pronunciation of some of the different prefixes that we've been working on. Discard, compute,
Compute.
contrive.
Contrive.
Ooh. Okay, all of these words say what? I. That IGH says I. So, thigh, sight, night, fright, slight, blight, might, right, plight, tight, flight, slightly, insight, frighten, flighty, tightly, bright, light, delight, brighter, highly, tighter, lightning, mighty. Read those to yourself. Oh, masks up. All right, let's look at this first sentence. I'm slipping on the icky slime. One more time. I'm slipping on the icky slime. Second sentence. Their Irish setter won't fetch. Do you know what an Irish setter is? It's a type of dog. It's a breed of dog. Okay, so let's read that again. Their Irish setter won't fetch. Read those sentences to yourselves. Okay, let's look at the top sentence together. They're seeing the sights in Orlando. Why is this capitalized? Amy?
Because it's a place.
It is a place. It's the name of a city. You know what state? It's where Disney World is. It's the state Disney World is in, not Disneyland. Disney World. Connor?
In like U.S. No, like Florida.
Florida, yep. All right, let's read this again. They're seeing the sights in Orlando. Next one. Avoid tripping and falling when you race. Good idea, right? Let's read it again. Avoid tripping and falling when you race. All right, let's spell some words and then we'll go over the new material. First word, napping.
Napping.
Weather like this makes me feel like napping. Contend. Contend. Dismiss. Engrave. Engrave. Lightning. Was there any lightning in the sky? Lightning. Trimmed. Have you ever trimmed your own hair? Trimmed. Conform. Conform. Compress. Let's not draw with our dry erase markers because then they definitely run out quicker, especially if you're borrowing one from me. And did we do this one? No, we did engrave. Okay, enlarge. Delighted. Then we're going to do one sentence. Listen carefully, because I'm going to try to trick you. They're going there to relax. Okay, are we ready to go through those now? Our first word was napping. So, a, p. So one short vowel, one consonant, then what, friends?
Another.
Right, one more consonant, and then the ending ing. Our next word was contend. So the con prefix, tend, t, and. Dismiss, prefix, dis, and then the word miss. Is that right?
No.
What do I have to do to my S?
Double.
After a short vowel, we always have to double that S, F, L, Z.
I said you have a W.
Okay, engrave, prefix, N, and then the word grave, gr, a, v. Lightning, light, that I-G-H, and then ing, lightning. Not lighting, lightning. Trimmed, tr, I, Do I just add ed to it for the d? Trimmed? No. It's a short vowel, a consonant, another consonant, and then the d, ed. Conform, the con prefix, and then the word form. Compress, com prefix, followed by the word press. It's a short E, so what do I have to do to this S?
Double.
I need to double it. Enlarge, N prefix, and then the word large. Tightly, I'm going to put it up here. So the I-G-H, T, and then the ly, suffix. Okay, those were our 10 words. Are we ready for the sentence now? We'll see if I tricked you.
For some reason I put delighted. Yes, I did. I put delighted. Yeah. I put delighted. Yeah, me too.
What word did I use?
Delighted. Tightly. But you said tightly up on the board. Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't even our word, was it? Okay, so delighted is prefix. Sorry about that, friends. I was making up my own things.
I was like.
So D, and then the word light, ed. How's that? Is that better?
Yes.
That makes more sense, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, now the sentence. They're, what was it? They're going. Okay, they're going there to relax. So the first there, could it be said as they are?
Yeah.
Okay, so that makes it a contraction word, right? There. They, apostrophe R-E, there, going. Now, they're going there. So which there is that one? T-H-E-R-E is correct. They're going there to relax. let's go into the new material. It's just another contraction word. Okay? So, the two words that make up this contraction word are is not. What's the contraction word then? Isn't, which is spelled ISN apostrophe T. So on your desk, because you aren't using a paper today, on your desk, write is not. Then underneath it, write the contraction word for is not. The contraction word for is not is isn't. Spell it out loud with me. I-S-N apostrophe T. All right. Put the lid on your marker and then get out the lesson 116 worksheet. Not yet. Okay, lesson 116. We are just going to find the contraction words in each sentence and write the two words that make up each of those contraction words. Okay, so they did the first one with us. We don't like rain. So the two words that make up the contraction word don't are do not. Let's look over here, this next one. Read the sentence with me. They aren't asleep. What two words make up the contraction word aren't? What are they?
Are not.
Are not. So what will you write on that line?
Are not.
Okay. Pencils down then. Look down at the bottom two with me. It says write these sentences without contractions. So they're both very short sentences. How would we write them without contractions? So this sentence says, it isn't fair. What would we write? What would that sentence be then? Lucas? It is not fair, period. Okay? And then you're going to rewrite the whole entire sentence over here. It's not fair. You're going to rewrite that so that there's no longer a contraction in it. Did everybody write this one down? Because we just went over that answer. Okay, then after you finish that up, the only sentences you are writing are the two on the bottom. All of the others are just the two words that make up those contractions. When you finish, pencils down, ears listening. When you're finished, you're going to compare your paper with someone else that is also finished, and then you can put it in your mailbox for today. Got it? And then start working on I ready. All right, go ahead and work.
When